Hi, I'm Mulat Aranza. Managing one income with many bills can feel overwhelming, but prioritizing what gets paid first can make a big difference. Start by covering essentials like rent, utilities, and groceries. This keeps your home and basic needs secure. From there, tackle bills that prevent penalties or loss of service, like insurance or phone bills. Remember, every situation is unique, so creating a simple budget helps you see what's urgent and what can wait. Small adjustments today can bring peace of mind tomorrow. However, when one income means choosing which bill to pay first, something has to change. No one should ever have to choose between rent and food. But if you've ever opened your bank app and whispered, "Please be enough," you know that fear too well. It's painful when every month feels like a bill shuffle. Not growth, not progress, just survival. And I realized my problem wasn't discipline. It wasn't budgeting. It was depending on one income in a world that keeps getting more expensive. So I learned to build another stream online. Something flexible, honest, and something that still protects my family time. Not overnight, not magic, but real options finally. Yung isang income lang, tapos pipili ka pa kung rent o pagkain muna? Ang sakit, di ba? Walang dapat namimili kung alin ang babayaran muna. Pero kung naranasan mo na yung pagbukas ng bank app, tapos, Lord, sana kayanin. Diba ramdam ko yan eh. Masakit yung buwan-buwan na puro bayarin. Walang growth. Walang ginhawa. Puro survival mode. Diba? Doon ko na-realize nga na hindi disiplina ang kulang. Hindi rin budgeting. Kulang talaga kung isang income lang ang inaasahan sa mundong pataas ng pataas ang gastos. Di ba? Kaya naganap ako ng paraan. Isang extra income online na flexible, legit, at hindi kumakain ng oras ko sa pamilya. Hindi instant, pero totoo. At nagbigay ng choices. Hindi stressful, hindi stress ang binibigay sa akin. So if you're curious how it starts or how I started, here's what you can do. Register on my website at www.mariamoletaranza.com. Watch the free webinar, join our private Facebook group, ask for an invite, and meet our real people doing this too. Once you join, you can watch our pre-coaching videos for full guidance with your one-time fee, fully refundable within 30 days. Save this video. Save mo to. Share it with someone silently struggling. Share sa kaibigang tahimik na hirap. And DM me if you're ready to create more options for your family. Thank you for listening. Till next time. Bye.